y'all? We are back with another video, and I got a special guest with me today. Say hey, Karen. We on the way to Josh Laurent's car meet in Charlotte. We finna be lit. Yeah, y'all. It's about an hour. It was about an hour 45 from my crib in Burlington. So yeah, I'ma still take that drive for y'all, get y'all this content. You feel me? Cause I got y'all. You feel what I'm saying? As long as y'all hold it down, I'll hold it down. But yeah, I guess when we get close, I'll turn the camera back on, or when I get there. But I'ma see y'all when we get there. What's good, Josh? Damn. I like that wild body. That mother. Oh, that shit hard too. That ain't that much now that I think about it.
I know.
I should have kept coming down. You can't be past here or something? I don't know, shit. There's some shit up here though. Just got done watching that nigga video too. It is a Lambo. It's hot.
Shoot, I'm at this car event right now.
Damn. Man. I kind of like that. That shit different too.
You want this about B-roll? I got you.
That shit real different. Fuck with that. I fuck with this Lambo. Damn. He went stupid. God. Yeah, I am not gonna lie, it is some heat out. Damn, Josh. That's how you coming? Black as hell. Yeah, that one. I told you, I be saying that shit on Instagram. That's how you coming, Josh? Come on, now. God. That bitch hard. I bet you that motherfucker was at least 7 racks just for the rap. She said, "Fuck if it's a V6." That motherfucker was something. Feel like they got some other shit up there. I might go up.
Oh, back here?
Yeah, I might park up there. Excuse me, boss. I like. Man, they trying to come back to get their spots. They gone. It's gone. No cap. That ain't shit else out here. Same. It's hard too. Tell her they got to do more. Oh, don't got. Damn. You went crazy with them. That's the ones that be on GTA. The 4G autos. Oh, too. Oh hell, bullshit pull up, bro. You know, that's my cue. My cue to go when the bush pull up. No cap. It's the same shit though. That motherfucker hard too though. With the shaker on it. Oh, I like that too.
Oh, look at that shit.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, jump board. I should. I don't know. It look like you screw it in. I'm about to put it on the other side though, like. That's my scat pad right there, so I'm about to put it on the other side. I'm trying to get tire sticks. I think I'm probably in the building. I ain't going back to Maryland. It's too many. Came, I saw, I conquered. Crazy. Damn. That shit even crazier in person. God damn. That shit even damn. Josh, that shit is crazy. I wish I could have seen a red eye in person, bro. Yes, I want to see that in person, bro. You killed that, bro. That's you right there. Like that, bro. That's good. I like that. And then they got the Lambo lights on. It's hard to sit up that high. I thought it was like, I thought it was at least like good. But it ain't the. How big is the top? What are those? Like, he got about 305. 290. I like this. This shit. Look at this. Nigga, like, I ain't about it. You gotta get this shit that way. You gotta get that shit at the top. You gotta get the name at the top of the white. That shit is crazy.
Javon would have been on. He would have did some crazy shit. Javon would have been on. He would have did some crazy.
Yeah. Rims, I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Which rims?
They like the GTA rims, like the 4 Giottos.
Right here.
Ooh, that's hard. That's hard. That's hot as fuck. Look at that matte black.
And I'm thinking I'm getting a Chinese dragon.
I like it. It's different. Oh, I like them rims too.
Chinese dragon on the side of my shit.
Never sleep again.
Pink with a gold Chinese dragon on the side.
Why you trying to have it pink though? Why you trying to have it pink though? Why you trying to have it pink though? Why you trying to have it pink? Rims.
You know I want it pink. From the get-go. So I'm gonna get pink regardless.
If you get it white with the Chinese dragon, that should be hard too.
Ooh, with a white dragon.
You gonna look like a to-go box from the Chinese. I like that matte. What is that, like matte gray? I like that matte. Oh shit, there's some shit over there too.
Oh shit, they doing you might need this.
I don't know. Probably a bag. I just got a car wash. I'm straight on that. I'm straight on that. I did that in the borough. It's hard, man. The Louvre? Come on,
She
man.
look like
You stupid. Just be careful on my thing, man. Y'all see my baby, man. Y'all see my baby, man. Where? I got them streaks on my shit.
Saying like you could have hit a few bugs.
Oh.
Take a picture for me for your car, Daddy. Take a picture for me for your car, Daddy.
Oh shit. That's basically good shit. About to go back. Let me go look at these.
It's feeling good or not? It's feeling better out here.
About to go look at these. I know that track house got easy.
That shit hard. I like that right there.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
I call it a slime pack.
We gotta get you a listen.
Boy. Oh yeah, yeah. I ain't worried about